Welcome to English for General Communications. I am your English language instructor, Mr. Hisham. You may call me Mr. Hisham. My contact number and my email is included here in the text. I will be teaching you English for General Communications, UVW201. And I hope all of us will have at least a good time trying to study English in this class. I work at the Center for Liberal Sciences, UNIMAP, over there. And I hope to be seeing you guys online for UVW201 soon, for the next 14 weeks. Instructions for activities and assignments will be given to you in the coming weeks. And please check out the Google Classroom. Link for the Google Classroom will be in the WhatsApp text. Alright, see you soon. Thank you.